Chapter 15, Part 4, Translation. Lequel aime-t-il? So this is a question word because we've got the inversion. Lequel is basically which one. Which one does he like? D'où vient-il? Here we have the de plus ul, so that's going to be from where does he come, or where does he come from? Auquel pense-t-il? This is the auquel, so this will be a which one, two which ones or something, whatever the right preposition is. Auquel pense-t-il? Which ones is he thinking about? Now, notice how in these last two, I've ended the questions with a preposition. Some people freak out about ending questions or sentences with prepositions, but I think it's okay. Mark Twain thought it was okay, and if he thinks it's okay, it's good enough for me. So we could say, which ones is he thinking about, or about which ones is he thinking? Same thing here. From where does he come? We could say if we didn't want to end with a preposition. Comment il était timide? So this is a comment plus an exclamation, so that's like a what, but here with a complete clause, how he was shy, or maybe what a shy person he was, something exclaiming his shyness or timidity. Timid is the normal word for shy. Quelle bêtise? That's another exclamation. What else? That would be what a mistake or what an error. Aussi, l'homme est-il peu logique? So here we've got aussi plus the inversion. And when we do the inversion after OC changes meaning from also to therefore. So we could say, therefore, man is little logical. Man is not logical. Or we can translate that as, therefore, humans are not logical. Kind of a very negative evaluation of human thought process. Il a peur, n'est-ce pas? So here we've got n'est-ce pas stuck on the end of a sentence. He's afraid, isn't he? And then, quel livre aviez-vous lu? So here we've got quel as an adjective, which books? And this is the pluperfect because the helping verb is in the imperfect. What books had you read, or which books had you read?